Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to install the Gator SFX on this 2021 and up body style Ford F-150. Now there's a similar installation to other applications. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now this is the cover, how it comes out of the box. This is the bottom right here. You'll notice that on this rail we've got a couple of tether straps. Also down here we've got a couple of clamps. Sometimes gravity just does this. It pulls the tether straps to one side and the clamps to the other. We're going to make life a little bit easier. These tether straps need to be in between the clamps. So what we're going to do is slide the one clamp through both of these tether straps and get it over to the other side. That way we've got a clamp and tether strap on this side, clamp and tether strap over here on this side. Now we're going to go ahead and set it up on top of the bed caps. Make sure the bulkhead portion goes over top of your bulkhead. Get it centered and then fold it back to the tailgate. When you get to the tailgate, we're going to center it back here as well. And once we've set the alignment of the cover, we're going to very gently fold it towards the front again, making sure not to shift the cover. Now we can go up underneath and set the clamps and tether straps. We're going to drop our clamp out of the track, slide it over to the bed cap. You'll notice we've got a little bit of a jaw here on the clamp. Here is our plastic bed cap cover. There is a metal flange behind that plastic bed cap cover. So we're just going to line up the jaw and start turning the knob. That's going to start raising the jaw up. And once it makes contact to the metal flange, it only takes a little bit more turning to draw the cover down and compress the seal. Don't over tighten this, just get it nice and snug. Then we're going to go ahead and pull our tether strap over to the side. Go ahead and loosen that up. There's a knob here that allows us to pull the tether strap apart. Then we're going to take and slide that up into the bed cap and go ahead and tighten that down as well. Repeat the same process for the opposite side. All right, when we fold the cover to the tailgate, this is our rear clamp. What we're going to do is lower our rear clamp that is spring-loaded as well. So we're going to slide it over to the bed cap, slide it down, and get the jaw hooked on the bottom of the bed cap. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.